Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing video of Deoxys tin pack thing, and it's going to be good. Well, let's see. First of all, we have Deoxys, my favorite Pokemon, and I heard it's the greatest and strongest Pokemon. Look at that. Looks so cool. Oh my god. Jeez. I love it. I very love it. And of course you get 4 booster packs. Too bad it's Deoxys was in Gen 5. Well, when Gen 5 was the release, you know, I don't have the the new ones, the ORAS ones, so that's too bad. But I'm going to unbox these, unpack. I mean, I'm sorry, but it's going to be sweet. So we start with the first one. I think this one is the first one. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. Well, let's see. First of all, cards is Ralts. Let's zoom in on that. Skitty. Patrat. Yeah. Cube 2. Rufflet. Oh, Escape Rope. Nice. Giratina. But it's not hard, so I guess it's cool. It's colorless. Colorless. So I'm autistic. And dyslexic. Lunatone. Coughing. And another thing that you should see. Oh, well. Look at it. I don't need it anyways. I'm sorry for my bad English. I'm not a British or an American, but I can speak very well to other retards in my area. Well, this is the second pack, and we're going to open. We're already opened it, but we have Dino, the Mexican Pokemon. Dino Phenolate, Primeape, Horsey, Yamask. Oh, a Sceptile, and it's fucking nice. Oh, and then we have Quagsire. Oh, it's Shadow Triad. That's pretty cool. Lampent, and Floating Stone. Oh, I showed it again. Well, I have this one too. The second pack is going to be much more awesome because I hope Genesect is in it, and I want Genesect or another Deoxys because I love Deoxys. It's the best Pokemon, and I mean it. I swear. Alright, well, we unpacked the third one. So I'm going to show you now. Well, the first card is Remoraid, yeah, Larvesta, Golett, Snorunt, XW. Oh, a reversal trigger. Oh, a the Olga AX. Pretty cool. Really can't. Plume Fossil, Fracture, and then I have this one too because you can't blur it. I don't know how computers work. Well, our fourth pack is this is my first time unboxing, so you know, pretty nervous. Oh, another Lurfest, which means I have doubles. And a Porygon, a Teddiursa, Solosis, Android. Oh, Porygon 2, which I mean I can evolve it. Yeah, yes, because I have the first one. Creditly. Oh, Creditly. Yeah, I said it good. Energy card. Caitlyn. Tirtoga. And another code. Well, it was a pretty nice unboxing thing because I got the Alta EX and Giratina. It's pretty nice. Let's zoom in that. Wow, look, it's shiny or hollow or reversed or whatever. I don't know. It's been a long time I haven't Pokemon cards, but this one is my favorite. It's the coolest fucking card ever, and it's worth the fucking $25 from America. So, and here's Deoxys again, my setup, and got these two sweet Deoxyses from a friend. Pretty nice. And here's my pretty cool 3DS, new 3DS, Groundon, and Primal Groundon, and Kyogre, and Primal Kyogre. And that's it for today. Oh, there's Lucario. Well, thanks guys. See you another time for my next unboxing video. Catch you guys later. Have a nice one. See you guys. Bye.